Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham. If you're in San Jose and looking for an authentic Costa Rican experience, I want to suggest this place. This is Finca Rosa Blanca. It's both a coffee farm and a hotel, and it's just outside the city limits. You can see San Jose way off in the distance from the hotel's infinity pool. And looking at the same pool from above, you can see how this is truly a rural farming experience. Guests are free to wander down the paths on the property or take a guided tour to check out the coffee growing operation. Even up close to the hotel, you'll find coffee plants with cherries ripening with future coffee beans inside. And the coffee grown at Finca Rosa Blanca is Rainforest Alliance Certified, meaning the 30-acre farm promotes biodiversity and regenerative growing methods which are designed to be climate smart while also boosting yields and improving workers' lives. An aerial view of the farm shows the shade trees they've planted here over the years to boost biodiversity, enrich the soil, and provide homes for wildlife. The carbon-capturing influx of trees helped Finca Rosa Blanca become one of Costa Rica's first carbon-neutral hotels. The hotel has several unique suites to stay in, and the design shows the thought that went into reducing waste and keeping the carbon footprint here to a minimum. From above, you could see the solar panels used to power and heat much of the hotel. The roof tiles there were recycled from an old banana plantation. Back down on the ground, you can check out the greenhouse where they grow all the vegetables used in the kitchen. It is full of leafy greens and herbs, growing both in rows and vertically to create meals which are truly all farm to table. And it wouldn't be a farm without a coop full of chickens who lay the eggs, which are the foundation of the breakfasts at the restaurant. Nearby, you'll see big bins used to collect rainwater to be filtered and used at the hotel. The trash is all carefully separated in a big recycling barn. Next door to that, organic waste is turned into compost to put back into the gardens. And by the way, the pool I mentioned is spring-fed and chemical-free. An ionization process is used to keep the water there clean. All factors which helped the organic coffee farm and hotel which make up Finca Rosa Blanca earn a spot on National Geographic's list of the most unique lodges in the world.